start to look good. Here's the kitchen upper cabinet. The frame is ready and it's ready to install as well. Here's the place for the electrics. So the cable gonna go here, inside here, so I can make the connection in here. And the other side you can see there's the switch for the light. And there's the groove for the LED. Now I have the sides ready and the bottom as well, like this, and then I have the front face, something like this. Then I need to make a trim in here as well. So now it's time to install this electrical unit in here. We have already the control center up here. So now I can install this electrical unit in here and I can start to build the electrics to work in the van. I can add the solar panel and so on. But yeah, I need to make the grounding point for the system to the chassis. So I need to make a little hole behind this unit in here. Of course, this is gonna be on the left side of the van, and I have all the cables in there ready for installations. Okay, so here we are. So the van built, and now the van is almost finished. We have the grocery in here. Yeah, the van is painted army green, and let's see in here. Okay, so here's the fridge. You can see, pull out. In here, smaller one, 230 volts. We have the diesel heater inside this little bench, seating area. The upper cabinets looking good. There's the induction stove you can use in here. Pull-out bed. You can see the railing in here as well. So it's 140 times 173. And when you pull out this, it's gonna be 180 and 173. So plenty of space to sleep. There's the control center. Have the inverter controller, couple of USB sockets, battery monitor, and you have more abilities here to connect. If you want to put water tank levels and water tank, water pump switches and stuff like that. I think it's looking pretty good. In here we have LED lights here as well, and controller for the heater. Light switch as well in here to the toilet area. Have the lamp in here. The toilet area, pretty good size. Easily can fit like a shower in here. That vinyl goes on these walls. Big storage locker, just sanded, painted. It's really cool. So yeah, the van is painted. As I said earlier, I think the color looks great. There's the socket for the electricity. New tires. I painted the wheels. It's like a all-season tires. And yeah, looking pretty good. Love the color. Came up pretty good. I haven't really sprayed that much, but I think it's look good. Yeah. So so what happened? Just building the van, thinking what to do. We tried to sell our house. Actually, we sold our house. We've been living now 2 weeks actually with my wife's dad and his wife. And tomorrow we are moving to Spain. So we sold like everything we got. Only we have the van and it's now on sale, so hopefully somebody buys that as well. And yeah, we are going with our Volvo V60, and we are fitting our life in there now. And yeah, it's gonna be 4,000 kilometers to south of Spain. We're going through Sweden, Denmark, Germany, France. Yeah, tomorrow is the big day. I just finished the van as much as I can do, and I registered it actually today. I hit the MOT second time. I had to replace a few joints on the front end, so I changed them, and now everything is okay and registered as a motorhome. So it's easier for the next one to just start driving and have fun. I was able just to build it and never actually use it. So, but I don't know. That's my hobby, so I like to do things. But hopefully, Spain will offer me something else to do. You know. So this morning was like -2 in here. Just checked
South Spain today was 30, tomorrow maybe 34. So yeah, I think we're gonna see you hopefully on the next video, and we're gonna do something different. I'm gonna film the whole trip from Finland to Spain. Thank you all subscribers and for the comments, likes for my videos about the Iveco build, and really appreciate that. And hopefully you gonna follow my journey as I gonna move to Spain and continue to do something else there, but hopefully gonna entertain you as much as I gonna entertain myself. That sounds really weird. Yeah. Okay, see you on the next one. Let's go to Spain. Vamos!